So during that time, my mom used to share to me some Filipino-Chinese money mindset. Kasi my mom was a half Chinese, so may mga stories about her dad. Isip ko kung gagastusin ko ba siya pangbili ng magkain or yung mga small toys after class. So during that time na try ko mag-save kasi merong piggy bank or coin bank during that time. So I think that was the first parang money memory that I can recall, and it gave me a lesson about saving money, ganyan, setting aside a portion as a kid. So may konting battle, but at least I had that perspective na from my parents na dapat pala talaga nagtatabi. I think the main lesson that I got when I started earning money is really the value of delayed gratification. Kasi nung bata naman ako, alam ko lang na it's good to save, pero without the intent of a purpose na paggagamitan, then wala pa akong delayed gratification back then eh. So I think marami ring opportunities sana na pwedeng na-save ko siya tapos nagamit ko for a meaningful expenses or meaningful purpose for my family. So I think delayed gratification is a valuable lesson that I learned when I graduated started earning my first salary. I would say first 6 months medyo spender pa. Pero I had a wake-up call again because of my mom and dad. So tinanong nila, nakakapagtabi ka na ba? Or may nasa-set aside ka na ba? So during my 6 month na working experience, medyo naparemind lang ako sa sarili ko na, oo nga, no, dapat pala may sineset aside ako. Kasi medyo excited ka bumili ng mga gamit kasi nga from school. So, from the first 6 months, spender. Pero after that, I became a saver na. So, consistently, nagtatabi na ako ng 10% of my income. Masaya lang kasi nung nagkaroon na ako ng consistent savings, nagkaroon ng fulfillment from spender to saver na. Actually, since then na nag-start na ako mag-save, I would like to share to our listeners na there will be life seasons kasi. So, there's a season in my life na ang daling mag-ipon. So, since 2013 to, I would say, hanggang bago ikasal, 2018, no? But the reason why I mentioned na there's a season sa life, so 2013 to 2018, madali Parang single pa lang and smooth sailing. Tapos, dumating yung time kasi na, syempre, I realized that I had this vision na rin of settling down. Kasi syempre, sa mga dates nyo rin, sa simula, ikaw yung mag-sell off nung pangkain,